Hi, today or tonight I show you guys how to make Strammer Max. It's a very German food. So it's you need toast, ham, cheese and eggs. So first put the ham on the toast. Then I have here my little frying pan with olive oil, and you can also use like sunflower oil or canola oil or whatever you want. And I turn on the oven or stove. Okay, and just wait until the oil is hot enough to get the eggs fried. Okay, and see you soon.